Right, so let's imagine that we are doing home learning for the time being, and across your year level you have delegated different subject areas to different teachers, and they've all been very busy working on creating those activities and adding them to the Oakleigh School Library. Now it's time, it's almost Monday morning, and you need to add some activities to your journal, including those ones that the other teachers have created for you. So I'm going to run you through how to do that. So first you're going to go add, assign activity, and you want to look in the school library. So because we're a seesaw for school, we can all share our activities together in a library. So here's the Oakleigh State School Library. You might know exactly what you're looking for straight away, but if we all make sure we save our activities with particular tags, I can search kindergarten, and I can search English, and the activities that have been tagged for kindergarten and English are showing up, and it's that Monday English lesson that I want to add first up this morning, so I'm going to click on that lesson. Now I'm going to assign that lesson to the class. I'll press assign. Seesaw Home Learning is the class I'm using to put some of these models together, so I'll click on Seesaw Home Learning. The other thing you can do though in this step is choose which students out of your class it's going to go to, and also you can filter responses into a folder, which is really handy for when you want to come and check all of the responses in your English or Soundwaves folder. So if I click on there, I can see I've only got a sample student and one student in at my Seesaw Home Learning class, but I, in this case, want it to go to all my students. If I click on folders, I can see all the different folders that I have created in preparation for this home learning, and I'm going to want this lesson to go into the English folder. I could create a folder for Soundwaves as well, but I'm going to click English. The other thing you can do in this step is all of the ACARA descriptors, the Australian Curriculum descriptors, have been added to our school as well, so you can go through there and click on the things that are relevant to the lesson that you're doing as well, to the descriptors, but I'm not going to do that on this particular case. So it's just the folder, press the tick, and now I'm going to assign. I can choose to assign it straight away, and that would just be pressing the green assign button, or I can schedule when that's going to arrive in my students' journal or in their activities tab. So I'm going to schedule that for, let's go ahead and assume Monday the 20th of April at 8:50 a.m. tick, and I want it to assign on the 20th of the 4th, and that means that that is going to arrive at that time and date. And if you can imagine, you can then go ahead and create a whole range of lessons and have them ready and waiting to arrive in the student's journal. So here I can see now that that is sitting in the activities tab. If I look at what's already assigned to my class, there is nothing. I haven't assigned anything to this class yet, but in my scheduled, I can see that coming up on the 20th of April, I have a lesson ready to go. Thank you.